Hello, boys and girls. Today you are going to be working on a mystery number activity. So I am going to explain the first couple of clues, or actually I'm going to do a whole mystery number example for you, so then you are able to solve the rest of the slides by yourself. They do get a little bit harder as they go. So I just ask that you reread the clues and do your best. You do have a whole week to get this done, so don't feel like you need to sit and do them all at one sitting. You can kind of spread it out, do one or two slides, and then take a break. You have a whole week to get it done. But don't wait till Sunday night to get it done either. All right, so in this activity, you will be reading different clues or hints to help you solve the mystery number. You may need to go back and read the clues more than once to help you figure out the number. Also, be sure to go back and reread each of the clues again, even when you have your answer, just to make sure it is correct. All right, all of the mystery numbers you will be finding today will be 3-digit numbers. So, for example, 453 would be a 3-digit number. Some of the clues might reference the ones digit, the tens digit, the hundreds digit, or even the sum of all of the digits, which would be adding all 3 digits or numbers together. I am going to have a paper and pencil. I'm just going to use the whiteboard, but I would like you to have a paper and pencil handy just to do your work on there. It will really help as you read through the clues, just to have that all on a piece of paper. So I'll kind of show you my thinking up on the whiteboard. All right, so this one has 4 different clues. So we'll work through all of these 4 clues together. So the first clue says it is less than 600. All right, so that means I know that this number has to be between 100 and 599. All right, so I know that right away. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, with that then, I know that in my hundreds place, it has to be either a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1. So there's my hundreds place. Here's my tens. Here's my ones. All right. Now, the next clue says the ones digit is 2 less than the hundreds digit. All right, so I know that this, I have to do 5 minus 2. So the ones digit has to be a 3 right here. 4 minus 2, this one has to be a 2. 3 minus 2 has to be a 1. 2 minus 2 would be a 0. And I can't do 1 minus 2. So I know that my number now has to be between 200 and 593. So I have taken some numbers out on that one. All right, now it says the tens digit is 1 more than the hundreds digit. All right, so this one would say the tens digit is 1 more, so this would have to be a 6. The 4's digit, or the 4 is the 100, so this one would have to be a 5. 3 would have to be a 4, and 2 would have to be a 5. All right. I also like to put a little check mark after I do my clues. So it's less than 600. The ones digit is 2 less than the hundreds digit. The tens digit is 1 more than the hundreds digit. So every time I've done a clue, I put a little check mark there. The last one says the sum of the digits is 8. All right, so between these 4 numbers, hopefully one of these numbers adds up to 8. So let's try that out. 2 plus 5, that equals 7, so it can't be 250. 3 plus 4 plus 1, ooh, that equals 8. So that could be one of our options. 4 plus 5 plus 2, that equals 11, so that can't be it. And 5 plus 6 plus 3 is 14. So that means that our mystery number has to be 341. All right? So hopefully you can use your deductive reasoning skills also and solve the next 6 mystery numbers. All right, good luck.